Well, good morning everybody, and as you can see, they've made some real good inroads. Oh, here comes Laura. And as you can see, they made some big inroads into the fence here. Now we're pretty close to 100% sealing. Oh, actually it is sealed right down to the bottom. Everywhere. Now, our dog can run free. Hey, good morning. Good morning, sweetheart. Yeah. We're getting there. We're getting there. It's starting to get clean in here, isn't it? Nice. Nice. Oh, and there's Mommy up there getting the laundry. Yeah. So yeah, one step at a time again. I know I keep saying that, but this rock can all get put down, but not until they're finished weeding and everything. Then they're going to burn that big pile, because that's what they do here. All right, young lady, you ready? We got a couple Aussies at our bar right now, even though we're not open, watching AFL. So it's a little less known team, I guess. And it was really hard to find anywhere, and we found it. So we're watching it at the bar right now. All right, Archie, soon. Soon, buddy. Actually, as soon as we close this gate, you can really go. Yeah, I'm gonna let you out.
Back within 18 points. McDougall's is not finished yet, though, with this first quarter. It's falling for again as Jamie Elliott tries to make a right assessment.
All right, let's go look. It is Sunday, so you know what Sunday means? Tons of people at the beach. That's the normal go-to. And sure enough, there's a good number of people here. Not as many actually, but then again, it is 10:30, 11, something like that. So there's a lot of people over there in the common kitchen area. Well, we had a very good day. You want to say hello? Are you eating chocolate? Wow, it's pretty late for you to have chocolate. How come you're so lucky? Just M? What's your name? What's your name? Lara? Yeah, Lara. Yeah. Wow, she's really opening up to the camera. You would never have gotten that before. Wow. Anyway, today was a good day. As you can see, she was doing like one of those playland areas, and she had such a blast in there. And it was just before closing, so she had the run of the place. And the good thing is, the hard part is taking a kid away out of something like that, right? But if you go and do the last hour, well, then the place closes at the end of the hour, so they can't scream and cry or anything. So it was perfect timing. She's like, oh, okay, as everything's closing down, time to go home. So it was good. But yeah, her and her and Kat will be heading back to the house to get a good night's rest. They're exhausted, I'm sure. Things have been pretty good here today, pretty good. A lot of takeout too. And we got our email, so I think within 2 days, max, maybe 3 days, I don't know. We'll have Food Panda finally, and we can do delivery, because that's going to double our sales, just being able to deliver all over the city. And yes, please, right? And I don't need any more staff for that, to be honest. I have enough staff. And I know people are like, wait, you guys are overstaffing like crazy. And it's like, no, I want to provide impeccable service so that people have an amazing time, so they talk about it to everybody, and then it fills up to that level. And so you have, going into this, you just got to be ready to, okay, I'm going to spend a little bit of money for the next couple months to really knock people's socks off. And then, of course, there's going to be people that either don't work out or whatever, it's just not the right fit, or like we have one that in 3 days from now has to go back to school. So it was just a short-term gig for him. So that kind of thing. Yeah, but everything's doing really good. We've had a good time. And yeah, I'm going to be closing tonight. We'll see if there's any trouble tonight. You never know. Got a bunch of Aussies here, you know? No, I'm kidding. They've been awesome all day. Well, guys, closing time. A couple guys still left hanging out at the bar, but that's it. All our tables have finally left. And although, you know, they could have stayed longer, I don't mind, guys. I'm not throwing you out ever. But yeah, it was a pretty good night for a Sunday night. I was really impressed, and it really makes up for yesterday because, oh boy, yesterday was a rough day. You know, the thing about rainy season is some days you just get so much rain that who's thinking of, I'm going to go to the beach today to go hang out and eat? Nah, not that often. But delivery, we've had a few people today that called in to takeout, and so we just had actually a Maxim. It's a delivery service that somebody had sent here to go get our food, which is so cool. But hopefully, I can't wait for this delivery service to be approved so we can be on Food Panda. And then people can just order us from anywhere in the city. And who else is delivering at 11, 12, 1 in the morning, 2 in the morning? We'll be the only ones pretty much. I think maybe 1 or 2, maybe other people, but otherwise it'll be us. So I'm looking forward to that because we're already up. We're already open. We have people here. We just make more money with the same amount of people. That'd be great. Anyway, guys, so today was a good day. I'm going to be doing a live tomorrow morning. So if you're watching this, it is the morning. So if you're watching this soon, 4 hours after this goes live at 10 a.m. Philippines time, I'll be going live probably from here. Yeah, I'll do it here. It's nice and beautiful with the beach there and everything. So hopefully we'll see you on the live. You can come join, say hello. And then after that, I have a plan to do that video I've been talking about where I'm going to show people all of Roxas City. So I'm going to break it down into districts, show you what's available in each district, what kind of things are around here, that kind of thing. And it's quite interesting of the city because it has distinct districts that way. And otherwise, you're kind of stuck with a bunch of traffic in between each. And so it's good to pick the district you want so that most of the time you have no traffic. So anyway, that's the plan. Thank you very much for joining, and appreciate, by the way, this young man here. Thank you again for the flag. Appreciate it, and your business, of course.
No problem, mate.
Right up there,
Yep.
Richmond. And guys, you guys are awesome.
Thank you
Legends.
so much, Mike.
Legends,
and,
right here.
And thank you to the Canadian media.
Yeah, perfect. That's excellent. All right, guys. Good night. Thank you very much. See you again. Bye-bye.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again.